Hello friends, today we will discuss salient features of quantitative research. Quantitative research is a systematic investigation that focuses on quantifying data, generalizing results from a sample to a population. It often involves numerical data, statistical tools, and structured methods. So features are as follows. First, objective measurement. It focuses on collecting data that can be measured numerically. For example, measuring students' test scores to evaluate academic performance. Second is structured tools. It uses structured tools like surveys, questionnaires, and tests. Example is a multiple choice questionnaire used to assess consumer satisfaction. Third is statistical analysis. It employs statistical methods to analyze data and test hypotheses. Example is using regression analysis to study the relationship between income and expenditure. Fourth is large sample size. It involves large samples to generalize increasing. Results can be generalized if large samples are taken. Example is a health survey of 10,000 participants to find the prevalence of diabetes. Hypothesis testing. It begins with a hypothesis and tests it using collected data. Example is hypothesis. Students who study more than 3 hours a day score higher. Replicability. Research can be repeated by others due to standard procedures. Example, conducting the same consumer behavior study in different cities. Seventh is deductive approach. It moves from general theory to specific observations. Based on economic theory, a study is conducted to see if inflation affects savings. Example of quantitative research. So we can take the example of impact of social media uses on academic performance of college students. So objective of the research is to examine if increased time on social media affects students' grades. Method will be a structured questionnaire distributed to 500 students. Data, time spent on social media in hours and recent academic grades. Analysis, correlation and regression analysis used to identify relationships. Result, found a negative correlation, that is R is equal to minus 0.62, which indicates that higher social media usage is associated with lower academic performance.